All right, so when we're doing this slideshow here, this is for third period math, practice for slope, slope intercept, and point slope. What we're doing is we're trying to track rise over run. So if I look at these 2 points, my run, which is horizontal, is 0. So I could go ahead and write that as 0. Now, if this one, I'm going from this point to this point, so I'm going up 2, so my vertical change will be 2. And then I remember slope is going to be rise, which is vertical change, over run. Let's see what happens if I put that in there. That is what you do to write the slope. Let's generate new points, because it's really tough when you have a slope of 2 over 0. So all I'm looking at is what is happening with my lines. So my vertical change, and what is my vertical change for my change for how much I go to the right. If I go to the right 1 point over here, right, that's my horizontal change. We'll say that is 1. And then what is happening here? So this is about -4 where we're living at, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8. I go down 8 and 4 more, so I go down 12. So this will be -12 is my vertical change. So my slope will be -12 over 1. And it says, good job, your slope is correct. And so I'm going to keep on doing that similar activity. Use vertical, horizontal change to determine the slope. So my point 1, let's say my x-coordinate is going to be 6, my y-coordinate is going to be 4, my second coordinate is going to be 6, comma, and 3, right? Now here's the thing. If my point is changing by 0, I have a slope of 0. Actually, I think my slope here is undefined. Now, they gave me new points. Once again, my vertical change, so we haven't done a lot of this. My horizontal change is 0, right? My vertical change is going to be 11 in this case. So you can't say 11 over 2. So again, this is undefined, because my points are -6, and this is 8. My other point is 8, and then this is 5. Now the trick is, when you have an undefined slope, it's not going to be a line. Now, determine the slope. Use sketch tools if necessary. So once again, we're doing the same thing. What is my vertical change? What I need to do with this one is I need to find exact intersections. So I say this looks like a point, and I could go, that's not a cross point, that's not, this looks like a cross point. Okay, so my vertical change from 2 to 5 is going to be 3, and then from -8 to -3, it's going to be 5, right? So then my slope is going to be 3 over 5. That's all we're doing here. Hope that proves helpful.